Sword balloon tutorial. Leave 8 fingers width at the end of the balloon. First, twist 2 small bubbles to create an ear tie. The balloon skin is threaded through the middle. Create a 3-finger width loop twist. Wrap around the knot to secure it. Now, twist a 5-fold pinch twist cluster. Continue twisting a 2-finger pinch twist. Wrap the remaining balloon skin several times to create ear stems. Now twist a 3-finger loop bubble. Twist a 2-finger single bubble to create a bear ear knot. Fold it over and continue twisting a 3-finger single bubble. On the other side, also twist a 3-finger single bubble, a bear ear knot. A 3-finger single bubble. Adjust the balloon shape. Your balloon sword is complete.